Tesla Semi PepsiCo fleet ready to take the road. So they finally got the paint job on there. And it's a great marketing tactic. It's great advertising. Because I'll tell you what, if I see a Tesla Semi on the road, I'm going, oh, kids, look. It's a Tesla Semi. And then
it's also branded
Pepsi logo is staring back at you. Yeah. And you're like, wow, Pepsi's so cool. They're the first ones that have it. So it's a double entendre, I'll tell you what.
Looks nice. Looks very clean. It's like a matte look.
Look at that. They're using it to talk about their zero emissions as well. They're rubbing it in that it's electric. This truck is 100% zero emissions. And it's interesting. They got the matte finish on the wrap.
Yeah.
I don't know if you expected that.
I like it. It looks very new age.
This truck is powered by 100% renewable energy, zero emissions, and then they put the period at the end. You see that?
Yeah.
That was a
period on both.
It went through a couple revisions where they were like, do we need the period makes a statement. Consider the period.
Yeah. There's many who vouch for it.
We get to make a statement right now.
Company-wide.
Now, a company like Pepsi, they got trucks going left, right, and center as far as deliveries are concerned. So they could become a giant customer for somebody like Tesla if this goes well. PepsiCo's sustainability strategy targets every stage of our complex value chain to use resources more efficiently, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, replenish water, improve our products, and recapture packaging materials. It's one of the biggest costs with this stuff, with these drinks, is moving them around because they're so heavy. Because the liquid is there, and liquid is heavy. It's not the sugar water portion; it's the delivery portion. It's wild.